Hi, hello बच्चों. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In today's class, we are learning vectors, remaining MCQ questions, dear students, theory. So now let us see the question number 26. The value of lambda for which the two vectors 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap and 3 I cap plus lambda j cap minus 2 k cap are perpendicular. If you are saying two vectors are perpendicular, so then their dot product is equal to 0, dear students. So they are saying what here? I mean two vectors, this given two vectors are there? No, they are perpendicular. So let us call them a name. Vector A is equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. And another vector B we will say, this I will give the name as vector B, that is 3 I cap plus lambda j cap minus 2 k cap, dear students. So these both the vectors are what? Perpendicular. If these are perpendicular means, dear students, their dot product is equal to 0. So what it is? A is perpendicular to vector B means, that means vector A dot B is equal to 0, dear students. If you are saying A is perpendicular to B, then their dot product is equal to 0, dear students. A perpendicular vector B ಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವತ್ತದ dot product ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, 0. So now you take the dot product. Now A is what? 2 I cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap. Correct? This is a vector A. Dot I will write. Vector B is what? 3 I cap plus lambda j cap minus 2 k cap is equal to 0, dear students. So now you know dot product how will multiply. Hey ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ multiplication na I to I you have to multiply. So 2 3s are 6. I dot I cap is 1, dear students, and we will not multiply for j. I dot j cap is 0. I dot k cap is 0, dear students. So that's why j to j you multiply. Minus 1 into lambda, that is minus lambda, dear students. 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So then how much you will get, you see. 6 plus 6 minus 4. That will give 2, dear students. 6 minus 4 is 2. Minus lambda is remaining as it is. So minus lambda you take that side. It will become how much? Plus, dear students. Then lambda value is equal to how much? 2 or not? This is our required answer. They are told to find the value of lambda. So that option is matching with A, dear students. A for awesome. Awesome is the answer, dear students. I hope you understood. We will go for the next question. Please copy this. I hope all of you have copied. We will see the next question, dear students. Question number 27. If vector A and vector B are vectors such that magnitude of vector A plus vector B is equal to magnitude of A vector minus B vector, then angle between the vectors vector A and vector B is, they are given 4 options. What is the angle between vector A and vector B? We have to find. Very simple question, dear students. So now see, easily you can solve. You write the given magnitude of vector A plus vector B is equal to magnitude of vector A minus vector B. So whenever mod comes, no maximum, we have to use square, dear students, both sides. So now see here, squaring both sides. SBS means what? Squaring both sides, dear students. Square them. Vector A plus vector B whole square, vector A minus vector B whole square magnitude. So now A plus B whole square means what? Magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A dot B, dear students. What I am saying, A plus B, magnitude of A plus B whole square formula is like something similar. You are like A plus B whole square, magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A dot B. A minus B magnitude whole square is magnitude A square plus magnitude B square minus 2 A dot B. This is the formula, dear students. This is A dot B. Don't get confused. So now A square get cancelled this, and magnitude B square get cancelled. Magnitude A square and magnitude A square get cancelled. This will get cancelled. So now minus 2a dot b, you take this side. That will become what? 2a dot b. Here minus will, already one is there here. 2a dot b. So this minus, if you take this side, that will become again plus 2a dot b is equal to 0. 2a dot b plus 2a dot b is 4a dot b is equal to 0, dear students. 4 you send down, so you will get it as what? A dot b is equal to 0. When we will say, just now we have discussed, if two vectors is equal to 0 means they are said to be a what? Perpendicular, dear students. When their dot product is equal to 0, if they are perpendicular, no, that time you can say it is what? A is perpendicular to vector B, then their dot product is equal to 0. If A is perpendicular to B means their dot product is equal to 0. ಯಾವಾಗ ಇದು dot product 0 ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ A is perpendicular to vector B ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? So perpendicular ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? This is vector A you think and this is vector B you think. So perpendicular means they should have angle how much? 90 degree, no? So therefore you can say their angle. If you are not able to solve this, A dot B you can use. A dot B formula is also there. Some of the books they will write. Here angle is directly you can write. They are perpendicular means 90 degree. If you are not clear with this, still I can say you one more method. That is what? Because some of the students may say, sir, instead of this, A dot B means they will say like this. A dot B vector is, sir, magnitude A into magnitude B is equal to cos theta is equal to 0. Magnitude A into magnitude B, you take that side, it will become 0. They will say cos theta is equal to 0. When cos will become 0, you know that. Otherwise, cos inverse of 0 is what? That is 90 degree, you can say. So either you have to use like this, otherwise you have to do like this. So because it's a direct, only A is perpendicular to vector B. Perpendicular means 90 degree will come, dear students. So that will option matching with option A, dear students. I hope you understood. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. We'll see the next question, dear students. That is question number 28. If vector A and vector B are unit vectors and pi by 3 is the angle between them. Angle between pi by 3 is what? Angle between vector A and vector B. Then what is magnitude of vector A plus vector B is? How much is the answer of what? Magnitude of vector A plus vector B, dear students. So clear? So what they had asked, what they had given, you see here. Vector A and vector B are what? Unit vectors. Vector A ಮತ್ತು vector B ಏನಿದೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So what is the magnitude if these both are unit vector? Unit vector means their magnitude is equal to 1, dear students. Unit vector ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರದ್ದು magnitude ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So ನೋಡ್ರಿ. So angle is how much they are given? Angle is given theta, that is pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60. You know that. I have to find this one now. Magnitude of vector A plus vector B is what? They are asked this question for us. So now see here how I will solve. I had already told you one shortcut also. Magnitude comes maximum you have to do square, dear students. Square it. So what we will get? A plus B whole square. Magnitude A square plus magnitude B square plus 2A dot B. Clear up? So now magnitude A is how much? Magnitude A you can see 1. 1 you put here 1 square. Magnitude B is how much? 1 square. 2A dot B. A dot B you can write it as what? Magnitude A into magnitude B into cos theta. Will you agree or not? You know this formula very well. I will write once again. A dot B is nothing but magnitude of A into magnitude B of B into cos theta, dear students. Will you agree or not this formula? That formula only I am substituting here. 2 into that. So now see here. 1 square is 1. 1 square is 1. 2 into magnitude A is how much? 1. Magnitude B is how much? 1 cos theta. Theta is how much? Pi by 3. Will you agree everyone? Theta value I am substituting here. So now see here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 into 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja again 2 only will get, dear students. So cos 60 degree is how much? Pi by 3 means 60, cos 60 is 1 by 2, dear students. 2 2 get cancelled. So now 2 plus 1. See, a magnitude of A plus B whole square is equal to how much? 2 plus 1 is 3, dear students. I don't want this one answer, square up. But they had asked only what? This much, I have to find the square is not required. Square you send this side, dear students. So magnitude of vector A plus B square root 3 will get, dear students. This is the required answer. I hope it will match with option A, dear students. Please tick it as option A. I hope you are understanding. So please, one request is what, if you are understanding from this video something, so please like and subscribe my channel, because each like will inspires me to do the next video, dear students. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈಚ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನನಗೆ इंस्पायर मारते, मोटिवेट मारते मಕ್ಕಳೇ. So each like है ना आपका मोटिवेट करता है मेरे को. So that's why if you are understanding, please like the channel. Don't forget. Okay, please help and support me. So copy this. We'll see the next question. I hope all of you have copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. So now see question number 29. If magnitude of vector A is equal to 8, magnitude of vector B is equal to 3, and magnitude of vector A cross B is equal to 12, then the value of A dot B is what? So how to, they had given 4 options for us. How to solve this one, you see here. Direct we have a formula, dear students. So some of you may not understand also. Directly I will write here. So but I will explain this formula how it has came. Fine. So now see here. We have this formula, even in CET also it will help, dear students. So how this formula has came, I will explain you. Actually this is the direct formula I had written. So once if I explain, you will understand how this formula is framed. So now see here. Already you know, dear students, A dot B. A dot B is what? Magnitude A into magnitude B into cos theta. Will you agree? So, and magnitude of A cross B also you know. Magnitude of A into magnitude B into sin theta. These are the 2 formulas which will come in dot product and cross product. Will you agree? So now see. So what I will do, I will square this one, first one. First one you square. So this will give out like this will get. Will you agree? See here. Squaring you will get like this. All things will be squared. Squaring both sides. Sorry. Here you have to write cos theta. Cos square theta. So I had done squaring both sides. First one. So similarly you square both sides. Second also. A cross B whole square. Magnitude of A square. Magnitude of B square. Sin square theta, dear students. This is 1 and this is 2 you say. You add them 1 plus 2. So what you will get? Adding them both. LHS will be get added. So that is A dot B whole square plus magnitude of vector A cross vector B whole square is equal to. I am adding this get added. So now add this also. Now dear students, can you observe here what is common in both? If you add them, we are having a common what? Magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square is common. So cos square theta plus sin square theta I can write. We have a common this one both. If you multiply, same we will get. Understood? So we are adding like this. So what is cos square theta plus sin square theta? That is 1 or not? So 1. So what will remain with? Magnitude of A square, magnitude of B square. Into 1 means 1 you write or you may not write, doesn't matter. So we got the formula or not, you can check once. Actually for your understanding purpose I had derived it. So how this formula has came. Next time I will write directly. Please don't get confused that time. So I have to find A dot B. Magnitude of A dot B. Here square is there. Square we will convert that side. So A cross B is what? Magnitude of A cross B. That is 12 square. 12 is given or not? 12 square is how much? 144. Magnitude of A is what? 8. Here square is there. 8 square is 64. Into. Magnitude of B is how much? 3. 3 square means 9, dear students. So how much you will get? You see, A dot B whole square, 69 into 64 into 9. 64 into 9 is how much you will get? You have to check now. So 64 into 9 is 9 4s are 36. 9 6s are 6 9s are 54. 54 are 3. That is 576 you will get, dear student. 576 plus 144 you take this side, that will become minus 144. So if you subtract them, so I think you will get here 432 you will get, dear students. 432 you are getting. So now A dot B square we got. Square we have got. But I have to find what? Only A dot B. Square you send this side. There are several methods to solve the same sum. But I feel this is very good because of CET also keeping in mind we are doing this one. So now see here. So square root of 432 we can write like this. Can you see? 144 into 3 you can do, dear students. 144 into 3 you can use calc, you will get the answer same only, 432. So now how much you will get? You see, A dot B is equal to square root of 144 is how much? That is 12, and square root of 3 is square root 3, and this is our required answer, my dear students. A dot B is what? 12 root 3. That will matching with option C, dear students. I hope you understood the question and answer. So now we will see the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you are copied. We will see the next question, dear students. Question number 30. If magnitude of vector A is equal to 10, magnitude of vector B is equal to 2, and vector A dot B is equal to 12, then the value of magnitude A cross B vector is what? They are asking a very simple question. Just now I had derived the formula, I will use that only. So now I will not explain, don't ask me again. So A dot B whole square, magnitude of vector A cross B whole square is equal to magnitude of A square into magnitude of B square. So now A dot B is given this time. 12 square is how much? 12 is given A dot B whole square it is. How do you know? 12 square is 144 agata hai. So magnitude of this one I have to find. Idana kannidibeko. Magnitude of vector A cross B whole square I have to find. Magnitude of A square means 10 square 100, and this is what? B square. B square means, that is magnitude of B square means 2 square. 2 square is 4. So now see here what will happen. So how much you will get? You see, 100 into 4 is 400 plus 144 you take this side, that will become minus 144. So A cross B whole square, 400 minus 144 is, that is 256, dear students. 256 square root. I have to find square, I have to send this side. I don't want this square because they had asked only this much. Square ಅವರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, so ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಧ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Root of 256 is what? That is 16, dear students. So that is matching with option D. D is the correct. I hope you understood. So we will go for the next question. Please copy this. I hope all of you are copied. We will see the next question, dear students. Question number 31. If magnitude of A cross B whole square plus magnitude of A dot B whole square is equal to 144 and magnitude of vector A is equal to 4, then magnitude of vector B is equal to what? Very simple question, dear students. Easily you can solve. See how much they are making us confusion, dear students. Yes, confusion ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೀವೇ ನೋಡಿ. So magnitude of A dot B whole square is nothing but A dot B whole square only, dear students. A dot B whole square ಮತ್ತು magnitude of vector A dot B whole square ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ, confuse ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So now same only you have to use the formula. A dot B whole square plus magnitude of vector A cross vector B whole square is equal to magnitude A square into magnitude B square, dear students. and this value is given already, dear students, that is 144, and magnitude A is given how much? 4. Square means 16, dear students, and I have to find magnitude of vector B. Here square is there, don't get confused, no problem. Magnitude of vector is vector B square 144. 16 you send this side, it will come down. 16 1 ja, 16 9 ja, dear students. If you send square on this side, square root of 9 is, that is 3, dear students, and this is our required answer. So that is matching with what? B for bingo. Bingo is the answer, dear students. I hope you understood. So we'll go for the next question. Please copy this one. Let us see the next question, dear students. Question number 32. The value of lambda and mu if 2 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 27 k cap cross I cap plus lambda j cap plus mu k cap is equal to 0 vector. 0 vector they are given. Then I have to say the value of lambda and mu here. Very easy question, dear students. Now see how to solve this one. Now lambda and mu I have to find. Very easy, and this is cross up. Don't get confused. Do you remember, dear students, cross product how we will write? A cross B. A cross B you used to write like this. Can you remember this? I cap, J cap and K cap, and vector A ka coefficients and vector B ka coefficients you used to write. Can you remember? So similarly, this is also cross product. Then I can write like this: 2 I cap plus 6 j cap plus 27 k cap cross I cap plus lambda j cap mu k cap is equal to 0 vector. We can write like this, same thing. So I cap, j cap, k cap, and what are the vector A is 2, 6, coefficients are vector A is 2, 6, 27, dear students, and vector B is what? 1. What is y value? Lambda, and z value is mu is equal to 0 vector. 0 vector. Clear? So now expand R1. Expanding what? R1, dear students. Row 1. So I cap, you know how to expand this. First row, first column. 6 into mu, 6 mu minus lambda into 27 is 27 lambda, dear students. So before multiplying lambda into 27, you have to write here minus. Minus is written. So minus j cap. So first row, second column you will do 2 into mu, 2 mu minus 1 into 27, 27, dear students, plus k cap I will write. Expansion you know, that's why I am not explaining much more. So now see here, first row you leave, last column, 2 into lambda, 2 lambda minus 1 into 6, 6 is equal to 0 vector. I can write like this, dear students, 0 I cap, 0 j cap, 0 k cap. 0 vector we can write like this, yes or no? So 0 into anything is 0 only, no. 0 vector ni ee tara baribodu. ನೀವು ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 0 ನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Don't get confused. So now see here, what I will do, equating coefficients. See, explanation takes more time, you know everyone. So थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है time. Explanation carries more explanation. If you do time, it will consume. But within actually I should not write this all. For your understanding purpose only we are writing. Equating coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap, dear students. So I cap, what is I cap? Equating means making equal. I cap coefficient is what here? This is that 6 mu minus 27 lambda is equal to 0, dear students. Is equal to 0. I cap, see here, equal we have made I cap and j cap now. J cap is what? What is j cap? See here. Minus is there, minus, okay, you can take minus also. Minus 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0, dear students. J cap is also 0 here, coefficient. So now k cap coefficient is what? 2 lambda minus 6. 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to how much? 0. K cap coefficient is also 0, dear students. I hope it is clear. So now minus you send that side, minus 0 is 0 only. 2 mu minus 27 is equal to 0. Minus if you send that side, minus 0 you should not write. Minus plus doesn't matter here. So now mu value is how much? 2 mu minus 27 if you take this side plus mu value will become 27 by 2, dear students. Mu value we got. Chamka. So sabko, I hope it is clear everyone. So now see, and lambda value. Minus 6 you take that side plus 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, dear students. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. Lambda value is 3 and mu value is 27 by 2, dear students. This is lambda is equal to 3. Don't get confused. So our answer will match with the lambda value that I asked first. 3 is there in option A. Mu value is 27 by 2. It is there here. So I hope you understood this one. So please copy this. We will see the next question. Let us see the next question, dear students. If magnitude of vector A is equal to 4 and lambda value is greater than or equal to minus 3 and less than or equal to 2, then the range of magnitude of lambda into vector A is, we have to say the range of, the magnitude of lambda into vector A. It's a fantastic question, really. Very good question. So magnitude of A is given as 4, dear students. This is very clear. So I have to find this one. Magnitude of lambda into vector A. This you have to understand very clear. And lambda value is lying between minus 3 to 2, dear students, including minus 3 and 2. So now see here, magnitude of lambda into vector A. So similarly you can write it as like determinant. Determinant vector A into B is what? Determinant of vector A into B. We can write like this, no? So determinant A into determinant B. Similarly, magnitude of lambda into vector A, we can write it as magnitude of lambda into magnitude vector A, dear students. And you know magnitude can't be a negative. So now see here, if you put minus 3, so what will get? Magnitude of minus 3 is what? 3 will get, and 3 if you got, and how much this value is? That is 4 or not? 3 4 how much? 12 will get. Maximum value is 12. So that means lambda value if I put minus 3, no. So this is what already 4, dear students. Magnitude of vector A is 4. So lambda value I am keeping minus 3. So lambda magnitude of minus 3 is 3 only. 3 4s are 12. Maximum value is what? 12, dear students. That means this option is not correct, this option is not correct. So it should be this or this. So 8 is also there and here 0 is there. So if I keep lambda value as 0, if I keep lambda, 0 value will come or not in this. So this is for what? This is for lambda is equal to minus 3. And if I keep for lambda is equal to 0, what will happen this? Magnitude of 0 into, 4 I can write magnitude of vector A. So magnitude of 0 is what? 0. 0 into 4 is 0, dear students. So 0 is less than 8, dear students. So therefore we can say magnitude of lambda into vector A is range is from 0 to 12, dear students. I hope it is clear. So option C will matches. Clear? C for cake. Cake is the answer, dear students. Okay, so we'll see the next question. Please copy this one. I hope all of you are copied. We'll see the next question, dear students. Question number 34. If vector A is any non-zero vector, vector A is any non-zero vector, so then vector A dot I cap into I cap plus vector A dot j cap into j cap plus vector A dot k cap into k cap is equal to what they are asking. Very simple question. A is a non-zero vector. Let us assume let vector A is what? We'll assume it as x I cap, y j cap plus z k cap. It's a non-zero vector now. Non-zero vector. That means x, y, z are not equal to 0. We will assume, dear students. So it's a non-zero vector, dear students. So let us put here in this. So I have to find this now. A vector. This is what I will write the question first. So because it is very clear, it will be for you. Otherwise, you will get confused, some of you. So now see here. Very clearly, I will explain. So vector A is what, dear students? This is that vector A. I will write x I cap, y j cap, z k cap, dot I cap, dear students. I cap into I cap is outside. Vector A, I am substituting the value, dear student. Vector A ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಇದರ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಐ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. इल्लू वेक्टर ए ना हाकि सो x i कैप इसमें भी वही डालो सो y j कैप प्लस z k कैप इल्लू ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ डॉट j कैप outside it is what j कैप dear students outside into j कैप I wrote plus now again vector a same thing we will take dot k cap outside k cap so now what we will get I to I multiply x into I is what x into 1 is x I cap dot I cap is 1 dear students I will not write so now j to k I can't do j to I can't do sorry j to I can't do because j dot I cap is what 0 dear students that's why we will not do that so even k dot I cap is also 0 we will leave so what is left now only I cap dear students outside plus similarly so I to j we can't do j to j we can do y into 1 is y dot is there no dot so now y to 1 is y and outside j cap I can write again k to j you can't do so again k to k you do z to z into 1 is z again you should leave this one I dot k cap is 0 j dot k cap is 0 so k to k is what 1 so z into 1 is z so k cap is outside I wrote so what is this dear students x I cap y j cap plus z k cap what is this vector a or not so this is our required answer that will match with option A dear students I hope it is clear so we'll go for the next question please copy this one I hope all of you have copied we will see the next question dear students question number 35 let vector A and vector B be two non-zero vectors then A dot B is equal to minus into magnitude of vector A magnitude of vector B into clear up so if when theta is pi theta is 0 theta is 90 and theta is what 3 pi by 2 so these are the options they are given very easy question dear students so vector A dot B vector A dot B is what we have discussed just now in this session magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B into what cos theta so now one by one options we will check so first option A says what that is theta is equal to how much option A is saying theta is equal to pi then I will put here cos pi is how much everyone knows I think cos pi value you know dear students cos pi is minus 1 dear students cos pi value is minus 1 makkale so minus 1 into this is minus vector A into vector B dear students magnitude of minus into magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B this is matching with this or not so then our option is directly you can say it as what option A dear students if you keep 0 no again this is having different value cos 0 is what cos 0 is 1 into this is this only it will come with positive and if you keep 19 cos 90 is 0 into anything is 0 and if you keep 3 pi by 2 again cos 3 pi by 2 is 0 into anything is 0 dear students so that's why our option if you keep theta is equal to pi no cos pi is minus 1 into this is directly you can say option A is the correct answer my dear students so we will see the next question please copy this one We'll see the next question, dear students. I hope all of you have copied the last question. So if vector A and vector B are adjacent sides of a triangle, then the area of a triangle is direct answer. सबको मालूम है. Everyone knows that. I think. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. So area of triangle ಏನಿದೆ? If vector A and vector B are adjacent sides of a triangle, then what is the formula? It's a direct, dear students. I will take it directly. No need of explanation. That is the option B, dear students. So magnitude of vector A cross B divided by 2. This is our required answer. So please copy this. We'll see the next question. I hope all of you have copied. So we'll see the next question, dear students. If vector A and vector B are diagonals of a parallelogram, then the area of parallelogram is what? See, try to understand what they are saying. Parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. Yes, sir. So now see, they are saying vector A and vector B. So these just you think these are in something direction you can take. So see here, these what we are saying, vector A and vector B are diagonals of parallelogram, and this formula is what we can say. This is our required answer, dear students. So magnitude of what? A cross B divided by 2 you will get. Magnitude of A cross B by 2. This is our correct answer. Sir, you may ask, yeah, I know what is your doubt. So see, parallelogram is there. Yes, sir. Vector A, vector B. If you think these are the adjacent sides, you think adjacent sides are given means magnitude of what? Area of parallelogram is magnitude of A cross B. If diagonals are given means magnitude of A cross B divided by 2. This is the difference between area of parallelogram, dear students. These are adjacent sides. These adjacent sides are what here? They are saying a parallelogram. Vector A and vector B are what? Diagonals, they are saying. Can you see? Vector A and vector B are what? Diagonals, dear students. Then area of parallelogram will become this, dear students. If it is adjacent sides, they had given no. Vector A and vector are what? Adjacent sides. That time magnitude of A cross B will get. I hope you are understanding what I am saying. Clear or not? These are here. Vector A, vector B are adjacent sides. What? Adjacent sides. Here it is what? Vector A and vector B are diagonals in this. That time area of parallelogram is this formula. This time if adjacent sides are there means this formula. I hope it is clear, because basically in our theory we will learn this one. So you will not see maximum, dear students. If you have seen means no problem then. So our answer will go for option B, dear students. I hope you understood it's clearly. So if you are understanding from this video something from this video, please like and subscribe my channel, those who are new. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನಾದ್ರೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಿಂದ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನನಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಇನ್ ಮೈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. बाय बाय. प्लीज कॉपी दिस.